lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, my name is Miss Mogo and welcome back once again. And please, if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, go down and subscribe. So today I want to open this vlog here. I forgot to open it with you because on last weekend I went for some small shopping. So I want to do a little haul with you, and also I ordered some few things online. Most of the things here that I want to show you belongs to my mom. My sister has a function at my mom's place. She's coming to visit or see my mom. And for those who come from Mount Kenya, we call it Kamweredo. So I'll be traveling to the village on the weekend, on Saturday, to see my mom. And I decided, let me buy a present for her because she deserves it. And I went to Garden City and I went to this shop called Fro. I've never been into that shop again. I just see them, I always see them with sales, but I've never tried to get into that shop. And I think my faith was tested and said, let me get into this shop and see what they do have. And imagine that day they had a sale of 50% off. If you buy a pair of shoes, you are supposed to walk out with another pair of shoes. So I want to show you some few things, mostly for my mom and mine as well, but small things. And also I passed by House of Leather and I picked some few things, not a lot. It's just a small mini haul and I want to share it with you. And what else? I removed my hair last time. I had told you that I want to do a new hair, but I've not yet set my mind on what I want. I was torn in between putting locks, or if not so, I just do a normal blends, but we shall see. We shall see how it goes. That one I'll maybe share with you in this video, or I don't know. We shall see how it goes. So I want to start with my mom's things, and I want to start with this first pair of shoe, and it looks so. Normally my mom wears size 36 or 37, but mostly probably 37. And I do believe that this shoe will fit her so well. The quality is so good because the material is pure leather, as you can see. And this is how it looks. I got this one in black. This is the first pair. It looks so. The second pair looks like this. It's brown in color. And this is how it looks. I hope you can see the quality. It's so good. I think that shop has very nice shoes. You guys go and try them. They had a sale. So initially, if you buy one pair, you get another pair. And guess what? These two pairs went for 999. Can you guys believe it? Don't let your mom walk barefooted without shoes. Whether there is offer or no, let's learn to appreciate our parents. They played a big role to raise us, and that's why we are still here also raising our kids. So let's appreciate our parents. If you have a parent out there, just buy something for them. Give them their own flowers when they are still alive, because there are people who are wishing if they had even one parent and they don't have. And happy Father's Day to all fathers out here, mostly fathers who are always present in their children's life. Responsible fathers, big up to you. And because it's not easy being a parent, it's not easy. So let's keep on pushing and raising our kids well, so that we can have a better and good generation of tomorrow. and releasing them, showing them good values in life and also fear of God. That what matters most, and release them in house of the Lord, because you will definitely never regret about that. So another thing that I got from my mom is these two cards. I don't know how to call them, but yeah, if your mom comes from the village, most women, when they are going to their chamas, they don't like braiding hairs mostly, because for my mom, she has very short hair. Okay, she can braid hair, but her hair is so tiny and short, so she always likes drawing these hearts whenever she want to go somewhere, and she'll look decent on them. I hope my mom will love them so much. And this one was 400. That's how I got this one. That's how much it costed. And there is this other one, black in color. This one went for 250 or 250 or 300, something like that. And this is how it looks. And I know she look great in this. So these are two things that I got for her, and also two pairs of shoes. And I also went to Isli bag, but in bag imekaa hata nimeitumia. I got myself an handbag, but I was unable to share it with you. And this is how it looks. I normally like handbag that has these things, because if you place it on the table, ina sit vizuri. So this is how it looks, and this one was going for 1500. It's a very nice handbag to throw on to carry maybe when you're going for a date or a party, because it's not huge, it's perfect. And it has a sling inside. It comes with a sling, and this is how it looks inside. It has a sling in it, and also it has a partition. There is this side, there is the center one, and there is this other side. So you are guaranteed that it's a big bag, you can carry your things. Another thing that I got is the wipes, baby wipes. I like using the, is it an or something, those wipes, but they never had the pocket ones that day, so I grabbed these ones. I've already opened them. I also passed by the street and I also got two hats. You know, wakati nywele zimechapa or wakati umetoa nywele zako, sometimes you feel like unaweza amuka, maybe uko na pali unataka kwenda, but your hair is looking shaggy, you can throw on these ones. I got this one for 150 per street, and it has a Mickey Mouse pattern here. It looks so. And I also got another one in white. This one is so cute. It has a Nike thing here. This is how it looks, and I love it so much. This one was for 300 bob. I was going for 300. Another thing that I got, it's a watch in peach in color. You might think on the camera it's pink, but it's not pink. This is peach, and this is, if you know me, this is my favorite color. I love peach and white. Those are my two favorite colors. So let me put it on so that you guys can see how it looks. And I want you guys to help a girl. I want you guys to help a lady and tell me, ladies watch zinafaa kuface side gani kwa mkono? Just comment down below on the comment section and let me know. Ladies wanafaa kuvaa watch ikiangalia side gani? Because for me, I love watches a lot, and I feel like I'm in hell of buying watches or treating myself with something. And tell me, kindly comment, ladies watch inafaa kuvaa kuface this side or this side, because I always see men wakivaa na this side, so I don't know if we always have a difference of putting on watches. So it's this side or this side. Kindly let me know. help me out. I would love to know. And I got one. Uh, I'm going to hand them bit by bit. I'll be buying one by one because, yeah, why not treat yourself if because some of us when we were growing up, some things like this tulikuwa tunasionea sijui wapi. I cannot even say Viusasa because Viusasa that time via millennium haiko, sidhani ilikuwa imefika. So hizi vitu kama hizi maybe tulikuwa tunaionea kwa watoto wa walimu, those children teachers, or doctors, or police officers, because those were the great careers that time. Wacha tu, let me not talk too much. From I also ordered a package. I also ordered some supplement for myself from Dawa. The hand, I think it was 10% or it was 20% off sale. And I got this one vitamin C. It's from Now Company. I don't know if the camera is focusing so well. I got this one. This one has 100 tablets. Don't know if you can see it well. God, my camera is not doing justice today because I don't know. Even my phone, I think it has a problem because it has some echoes. I don't even know how this video will come out. Let's hope. I think I didn't need a new phone now because this one here, it's 100 tablets. I got this one at, can I even remember the price because I threw away the receipt, and the same phone that I ordered with, it's the same phone. I would have checked the price. It's the same phone that I'm using to vlog with. And I also got this other one, omega-3 fish oil. Also, this one, it has 100 soft gels, and it's 1000 micron, and it's 180 EPA stroke 120 DHA per soft gel. So I think I've been listening to one of the ladies that I don't know, she calls herself the supplement something on TikTok, and she advises if you're going to buy a omega-3, buy the one that has 180 EPA and 120 DHA soft gels, and the one that goes up to 1000 micron. So I got 2 of these. So though I'm planning to buy some for my son and also for my mom, but now those ones I'll look for. I have a friend of mine that works in, that can ship for them for me from maybe Amazon or somewhere because she travels a lot. That one I'll figure it out. Not now, but when I get money. But for me, I got these 2 for myself. And they look so. From House of Leather, I got this spray paint. It's matte black. Because I wanted to spray paint this one on my centerpiece coffee table. But then my mind has changed. I think I should go back there and buy a white one because the reason is I'm planning to change almost everything in my house. I don't know if it's age or it's what, because my taste has changed a lot. The theme of my house in my hand has changed. I want to change from couch to coffee table, but because I want a bigger couch, I want a L-seat couch, but still in off-white, and also want to buy a round coffee table that is matte black. So if I spray paint this matte black on my centerpiece, it won't look nice. I bring that vibe that I want in my house. So I'm planning to go and buy white, and then I'll spray paint that white centerpiece to be white. You'll see it in this vlog. Okay, I might not buy those things now, but later on you'll be seeing them on my videos slowly by slowly, because buying changing or buying house items, it's not easy. You have to go slowly by slowly, do it slowly by slowly, because even the income is not that you cannot. By the way, buying home things, home stuff, it's not easy. You have to sit down with a budget and budget for them, pole 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 pole, until you get there. That's when you see your house is coming together. But because I have a channel, we are going to do it together with you. You'll be seeing things small by small, bit by bit. So this one was 300. This one is matte black. Another thing that I got, it's this mounting tape. This one was 250, and it looks so. I don't know what I'm going to use with this one, but we shall see. And another thing that I got is this glass. They look so. These ones were for 100 bob. Yeah. And this other one, it's in a small plastic. This is how they look. Another thing that I had forgotten that I got from Italy when I was getting my bag, my handbag, it's this two-piece. It's a two-piece, but one it's a top and then the other one it's skirt, and the top looks so. Niliona tu nikaipenda. I don't know nilipenda or color or what, but I don't know. But I'm in a era where I like this. Napenda hizi crop tops. Nilisiona MRP, but the price, I think 1,000 and something, but you'll be buying maybe one by one. It looks so. Yeah. I've not worn it, but yeah, it's good. And the skirt looks so. It has a side slit, but the slit was too long for me to hide, and then I took it to the fundi to just punguza kidogo, reduce kidogo, and then this is how it looks. I'll put it on one day. Yeah, and this is how it looks. And I don't think I have another things, and I feel like this is the end of this all. I don't know if I'm going to continue with this vlog, combining when I show you, when I'll be showing you guys on how I'm planning to make my hair, or maybe some few clips when I travel to the village for the function. I don't know. I'm torn in between. If I'll manage to show you guys, well and good. If I don't, guys, forgive me. So maybe we can close this vlog here, but if it continues, well and good. So please, if you love me, kindly support me, watch my videos, please like, please leave a positive comment down there. It's not easy for the vloggers, even when you see people putting on the videos down there on YouTube. Vloggers, I salute you. Before I started being a vlogger, I thought it's an easy task, and believe it me, it's not an easy task. It's not an easy thing. Sometimes you wake up and you don't feel like being on camera, or you don't want to pick a camera, and some of us, we don't even have that. Hatuna hiyo nguvu ya kuvlog outside public. So we just show you what we managed to get, and we're good to go. So bye. Hi guys, today it's on Friday. I went to town to fix my artificial locks, and sorry guys, last weekend I traveled to the village for my sister's function, but sorry because I did not manage to vlog any video because I had a lot of headache because I traveled the same day, and I was so tired. Sorry, bear with me guys. I had promised I would vlog, but I did not manage. Kindly, I'm sorry.